You know what would be so messed up? Is if I did all this recording and my damn mic ain't working.
You might know the pain, but I'm holding out. It might have taken a lot of time, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm holding out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. All my old subbies, thanks for sticking with me. If you're new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to subscribe before you get off this video. Leave a comment on other video ideas you would like to see. And yeah, so I just wanted to come in and show y'all my October favorites. So it's a couple of things that I do have. It's not like a lot, but I wanted to share it with you guys and let you guys know how I am enjoying these products. So let's get into it. You feel me? Alright, I know y'all probably seeing this video and y'all like, but how many times you gonna see this look? You in my business? Don't do that.
You in my business? Don't do that.
Don't do that, but you see me. Alright, y'all. Let's get into it. Alright. I have a couple of things here in front of me. Like I said, it's not a lot of things. It's just a couple of things that I noticed that I've been gravitating to when I do my makeup. So, first things first. So, I'm going to open my drawers so I can put them away as I'm doing them. Alright, the first things first that I do enjoy using is the JUNO Co Bombshell palette. This right here, I did do a video using this palette. So, this is what it looks like. And I absolutely love this palette. I love using the two bottom rows here. I use this to like blush, and then I use this to like bronze up my skin. So this palette is really good, and it's neat, compact, and travel friendly. So that's one thing. The next thing, I'll try to let the prices of each item come up on the screen. If not, y'all, skills, just ask in the comment section about it and I'll just give y'all information if I do forget. Next thing is this Makeup Revolution bronzer here. Humongous, and I believe this palette was $12.99. I picked this up from Ulta. I think it was online. I'm not sure if they have it in stores now, but when I picked it up, it was online. And I absolutely love this bronzer. It's really inexpensive, and you do get a lot of product in here, as you see. And you can get a mirror. Boom, I don't want to blind y'all. And it's really good. So that's another thing that I enjoy. The next thing is my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. Y'all, this bronzer was like $30-something. Everybody knows what Fenty look like. So you get a mirror, and then this is what you get. So this was $30-something, and the bronzer before that was $12. So if you guys don't want to pay the $30-something for this bronzer, then go ahead and grab the Makeup Revolution one, which is $12. And like I said, they sell that at Ulta, or is it online or on Revolution website. The next thing that I love using is this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Really good, really good, and a little goes a long way. I still have a good amount left in here, so this is really good. If you know, say you're going out for the night and you want your makeup to stay in place, this is really good to use. It keeps your makeup in place, and it gets tacky on your face, so when you put your application on, it sticks and it just blends well. Like, this is really good, and this is at Sephora. Next thing I love using is this e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I do have the actual e.l.f. Putty Primer for the face, but this one is for the eyes. I actually use this in my smile lines because Savannah Silver here on YouTube, she was saying that if you crease in here, this is a good thing to use. It's also the dupe for the MAC Paint Pod. So I absolutely love using this in here, and I constantly see myself using it every time. Next thing I love using is this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I had a bottle before and I finished that one, and I picked up this other one from Sephora, and this is really good. It really locks in your makeup and it really lasts all day. So when they say all night setting spray, all day setting spray, period, like it locks it in, keeps it going, and baby, you ain't got to worry about nothing. Okay, nothing. So this is the travel size, so this is really good, and that was from Sephora. The next thing that I love using, and I'm not even a mascara girl, but I picked this up from AOA Studio. It's the skinny under lash mascara. It's really small, but I use it for my top and my bottom, honestly, because I'd be scared I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. So I usually use this for my bottom and my top. Look how small that is, like, bruh. So this is really good. So if you don't like using those big fat mascaras, I say pick this up from from ShopMissa A, and it was $1, and I really love it for bottom and for also my top lashes, because it really stretch my lashes out if I'm not in the mood to put on lashes. So this is a go for me. This is really good, and yeah. The next product is my concealer from Juvia's Place. Absolutely love this concealer. It's my go-to concealer all the time. Like if I'm not using this, I'm using this other concealer that's also in my October favorites. So this right here is in shade 12. I absolutely love it. It's so big and it's a lot of product in here, and I did get this from Ulta, and it's pretty good. Coverage is there. The coverage is phenomenal. Like you put it on and it covers everything, your sins, imperfections, everything. So this is really good, and like I said, I picked this up from Ulta. Really good. The next thing is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer. Is really good. I got this from Sephora, and I did do a video using this product here. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave it up here so you guys could go ahead and check that video out. But this primer is really good. It really blurs your pores, and it gives you like a smooth canvas to apply your makeup. So this is pretty good. So if you guys want to test out this and you haven't yet tried it, go ahead and pick up like the sample size at Sephora. The next thing that I started using this, I picked this up to try it out in a video, and I love the coverage of it. So this has been my go-to foundation that I've been using. Is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear. Pretty good. Very full coverage, and it has sunscreen in it also. So if you guys, you know, be in the sun, be outside a lot, this is really good because it has the SPF already in the foundation. So this is really good. I picked this up from Target, I believe it was, and I absolutely love the coverage on this. So this is a go for me. The next thing is my JUNO Co Miracle Cream. Yeah, I cannot stress this enough. When I put this on my face, like as a moisturizer, before I apply anything else to my skin for like my foundation routine, thing just blends seamlessly, and it just looks way more like picture perfect. Like everything just looks like well put together. I also use it even if I'm not doing a foundation. I'll at night wash my face, and I'll put this on along with my rose oil to just keep my face moisturized during the night. So this, yeah guys, is the JUNO Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. It's on JUNO Co website. So this is pretty good. Next thing is this Born This Way concealer. Also did a video on this, and like I said, it was also in the video with the Fenty Beauty products. This is pretty good. I just started using it, was it the beginning of this month? I think it was the beginning of this month or last month, whichever one. But this is really good, y'all. Like it doesn't give me a highlight, so like I'll put this on as like correcting, like a color corrector before I put on my foundation. Sometime like if I have like a pimple that I did pop or something, or sometime I go underneath my eyes before I actually apply my foundation. So just to give me like that extra coverage before I go ahead and apply this to kind of just brighten up under my eye. But this is pretty good. I picked this up from Sephora also, and this is just the travel size, and I love how it blends into the skin and how it covers everything. So that was good too. And last, I think this is the last thing I have, is my Fenty Beauty powder. Y'all, I absolutely love this powder. I have not picked up another powder since I purchased this. I use this to set under my eye, and I use it to set my whole face, because this powder is everything. Like, y'all looking for like that one powder that hits every angle and it just fits into everything. This is the powder. So mine's match my complexion, where I don't feel like it gives me a highlight underneath my eye. Like when I set it, like when I use my Sacha Buttercup, I feel like I have more of a highlight. Like it brightens up under my eyes. Just blends right into my skin and my complexion. So I absolutely love this powder, and it was worth my money. And you get a lot of product in here, and I just love the packaging. So that I have to put in my favorites. So the last thing now that I love is for my brows. Like my brows, when it comes to my brows, I'm very picky. I don't like to use things that's like waxy, that actually tugs on my brows and pull out my brow hairs. So my favorite brow product is from More Beauty by Tiffany. This is her eyebrow pomade, and this is in ebony. I absolutely love this product, guys. I'm not gonna even lie. Like, I mean, this thing glides on my eyebrows like butter, and it makes my eyebrows look so bomb. Like my eyebrows be popping when I do my brows with this stuff. That pomade is really good, and it just glides on. Like it's everything. I've tried, like, I love using pencils, you know, when I'm in a rush, but any other time, like, my brow pomade is my go-to. Like, I love my brow pomade because, like I said, it glides on like butter. It doesn't tug. It's not like wax. It's not waxy. I hate a waxy brow product because it tugs as I'm trying to apply it to my brows. So favorite brow product is from More Beauty by Tiffany, and it's her pomade. And that pretty much completes this video. I don't have anything else on hand that I know that's my favorite. I've showed you guys everything that made it to my October favorites, and that sums up everything. If you guys have tried anything that I did show you in this video, leave a comment in the comment section down below how you guys like it, how it works for you. If you like it, if you don't like it, just let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how you feel about some of these products if you use it. But that pretty much completes this video. This wraps it up. This is it. No more. This is all the October favorites. Ain't nothing else gonna get in here. That's it. Okay? That's it.
Holy shit! That's it!
But this pretty much completes this video. If you guys are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If this is your first time stopping by and this is your first time watching one of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe. Support your girl. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. But yeah, if this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and leave a comment down in the comment section down below. Also, check out my brand. Follow me on my social medias. It's also in the description box. And if you guys have any questions about anything that I showed today or anything, just leave in the comment section down below. I do respond to everyone all the time. So like I said, this is your first time stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell, and I will see you guys on my next video.
My stressful days, God knows the amount. Yeah, me never broke nobody shop, me never rob nobody